Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the complete video tutorial about how to create a YouTube channel. It's very simple friends. Just keep follow me. First log in to YouTube by using your Gmail account. Then click on setting. Then below here there is an option create a new channel. Click on it. And here give a name of your YouTube channel. Then click on create. And YouTube channel created successfully. Now we can start upload videos. To upload a video, click on upload video. Once you click on upload video, new dialog box will appear. From here click on select files and select the file that we want to upload. Just for the example, I am going to upload one random video just for demo purpose. Put the title of the video and write something about the videos to the viewers, and then click on upload thumbnail. My account is not verified, so it is asking to verify me. To verify, I'll click on verify and from here select the country. There are two options, call or the text message. I select the text message and the Google will send me the text message for the verify, and here I put the contact number that I wish to receive a text message from the Google which is associated with my Gmail account. Enter the verification code and submit it. I got a message, this account is verified. Now I can upload a thumbnail. It may take a few minutes. By the time I'll fill other required fields. To create a playlist, select a playlist and click on create a playlist and give a name of the playlist and click on create and select the name of the playlist and click on done. Now I'll try to upload a thumbnail. Yeah, it works. I will select the file and click on next. Thumbnail size must be 1280 by 720p, not more than that. Need to add an end screen to the video, you can add from here or else simply click on next. If you want to schedule a video, you can do that, or else click on public and click on publish them. Now the video is published. There are several options to share a video if required, if you want to do that, or else simply close it. Now refresh the page to see the uploaded video. Now I'm going to upload a profile pic. To upload a profile pic, just click over name or directly open a YouTube channel, and from here just click over a symbol. It give you the option to upload a profile pic, and once it open a new dialog box, from here you can click on the upload profile pic. After click on add profile picture, you can drag and drop the pic, or you can select from the computer. picture ready, but still I'll show you how to upload. I select the file and I'll crop this image. Click on set profile photo and here it uploaded. I can change it later. If you want to add a more detail about your channel, or if you want to edit, you can do it from here. Refresh the page to see the changes. That's all for this video, friends. If you like, don't forget to share, like and comment. Thank you for watching.